up in Central Nevada. Nice little stream. That's stream crossing number 5 to get up to this adit. We saw the waste rock when I was coming up the road, taking a friend to go see a mercury mine. I've already filmed the mercury mine. I'll try to find it and put it in the description below. I do not know why I have never, ever explored this one. I remember these damn bugs. Oh, that hurts. Oh, wow. Oh, ow. Friggin' hell. Had a rock break. Should be right there. That hurt. Yeah. It's a tight little sound. All right. Oh, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna bruise. All right. So this is an older mine. Now, they're using square timber, and the bark has been removed. Amber rat. Oh my God, can you imagine the miner having to work up in that tiny little space? Size of spike. Dust. Wow. Yeah, that would suck to high heaven. Okay, so there's some bark. But again, square timber. And it's not rough cut. Just wonder if it was like a small scale miner and he was just harvesting wood on that area. I love rough cut timbering. Okay. Bottom of stumps. You can see we're using blasting box for a shim. A lot of rat areas. There's that face. And that stain. I'm actually thinking this was copper. No, it's a copper oxide. That bad. Yeah, it's crystalline. It's not red. Because this is a mercury mining area, but it's also a gold mining area. All right, this tunnel stinks. In. Yeah, see? This is all rat urine. Oh, that's why it stinks. Heck. Oh, there you are. Again. Cute. They're so cute, but they're so smelly. Okay, that dead ends. Well, I am glad this is the end of the tunnel right up there. Because, oh, this place is rancid. The graffiti. Oh, there's some. Let's see what that says. I want to get myself out of this stinky, nasty. Look at that. Yes. What is that big wolf of ammonia? Go ahead and get out of here, and this gets you excited to do some exploring on your own. Which, seeing all this orange stained walls, I don't know why it would. But do it. Have fun. Be safe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.